Hey guys, it's Jen. Today I'm going to be sharing a Grove collaborative haul with you. I just got my delivery earlier this week. If you're not familiar with Grove Collaborative, it's essentially an online store that allows you to kind of choose your own subscription box each month, and they sell mostly home supplies, cleaning supplies. They do have some kitchen supplies as well and personal care items. So all in all, this haul was around $59, I believe, and I am in the VIP program, which means you pay $20 a year. You get free stuff each month, and then you also get free shipping on any order. So here's the packing slip. Everything comes nicely packaged. You can see here what was on your order and if they fulfilled it or not. And if they weren't able to fulfill it because something was out of stock, they'll send it to you separately. Excuse me. So the first thing that I got was this Mrs. Meyer's set. This is in the mint, which is a new scent, and the bundle came with the dish soap, hand soap, and the multi-surface cleaner. And I believe that I can't remember for sure, but I believe it also came with this microfiber cloth. I have been using these microfiber cloths a lot in my cleaning. I still prefer to clean the bathrooms with, disposable products like Clorox wipes or paper towels. But for surfaces and now that I have a new kitchen, I have white cabinets, wiping down my cabinets, wiping down my baseboards, dusting. I love using these microfiber cloths, and the ones from Grove are really thick and nice. So that's that. Like I said, I haven't tried this scent yet. I know I watched a review that someone else did here on YouTube. I can't remember who, and they said that the scent was a little bit lighter. Let's smell the dish soap. Yeah, it's not really minty. It's more of just kind of a clean scent. So that's that. Next, I picked up some of this Method glass and surface cleaner. I just needed some more glass cleaner. This is also in a mint scent. Can't talk. I actually wanted to keep a bottle of this in our master bath because we have a tile shower now, a walk-in shower, and there's a huge glass door that I am struggling to keep clean, as you can imagine. But this says you can use it on counter tile, granite, mirrors, and windows. I also got some of the Caldrea brand Tangelo Palm Frond. This is also the dish soap. This stuff smells phenomenal. I have this in the room and linen spray, and then I also have this scent in the countertop spray, and this is the greatest smelling stuff I have ever smelled in a cleaning product. So I was excited to see this dish soap. It looks like I'm gonna have a lot of dish soap now, but that's okay. I cook a lot, so I will go through it fast, but I'm excited to use this. Something else from Caldrea. I believe this was on sale, as it's more of a holiday product, but it's the linen and room spray in the Dahlia Red Currant. This is more of a floral scent, but I love spraying this. After I vacuum, I'll spray it on the carpet. We have some curtains in our dining room. I'll spray it on there. I'll also spray it on our bedding and the furniture we have that's not leather furniture. So this is nice, and if you have guests coming over or something, you can just spritz this around your house, and the scent really lingers, which is nice too. Okay, the next thing I got is this Real Simple Clean cutting board oil. I just purchased a new cutting board. It's one of the Pioneer Woman cutting boards, and I want to make sure that I keep and maintain it so that it doesn't warp or crack on me. And so this is essentially just food grade mineral oil, but what you do with this, they recommend doing it on a weekly basis, is after you clean your cutting board, you just take this and drizzle it on, and then I just rubbed it in with a paper towel, and just do that a couple of times until you can tell that the surface is soaked in, and it'll keep your cutting board nice and maintained. Okay, the next thing I got was this full circle grout and tile brush. Like I said, we have a big walk-in shower in our master bathroom now, and I needed something to be able to scrub the grout and the tile on mostly on the floor of the bathroom, but on the walls too. And I thought that I would use this with Comet, so that will actually go in the bathroom upstairs, but it seems like it's a very sturdy brush, so hopefully that will work and will last a long time. Okay, this was more of a filler item. This is a lip balm. It's actually the Grove Collaborative brand. It's the mint and argan oil. I actually got this for Kira to keep in her backpack. She was telling me that she needed some new chapstick. So you can see it's kind of like an oval shape, which is kind of neat. But yeah, so I will give that to her when she gets home from school today. This was a freebie. It is a Grove Collaborative brand hand cream in the bergamot orange. I was excited to get this as a freebie because I needed a small hand cream to keep in my purse, especially now that it's winter and we're all washing our hands constantly because the flu is running rampant. It's nice to have something like this in your purse for when your hands get dry and cracked. But I did try this out last night and I do like it. The scent is very subtle. But again, these are the types of things that you get for free with your orders if you either order so much, or if you're a VIP member, they'll just kind of throw stuff in with your order for free. So that was nice. This was also a freebie item because I spent I believe it was like over $50 on my order, but this is a really nice canvas tote. And again, it's the Grove Collaborative brand, but it's actually a decent size and the handles are a decent size, so you could carry it on your shoulder if you wanted. But I like keeping these reusable bags in the back of my SUV because a lot of times I'll go to Aldi to grocery shop and I don't want to pay for paper bags, so I'll keep these in kind of the back of my vehicle so I can use these when I go grocery shopping. Okay, the last thing I picked up was this Stoneware Tray. This is just the box I'm actually going to show you. I'm using it right now. It's 10 by 5 inches and it's basically a tray to keep your like your dish soap and stuff kind of just in a neat spot by the side of your sink. So let me show you that. Okay, so here's that tray in use. You can see I have it there. This is just on the side of my sink. My sink is actually a corner sink, so you can see here that there's space back here, and I have just like a potted plant candle, and then my hand soap here. And then you can see also, since we are new construction, we don't have any grass yet, but hopefully we'll have that this spring. But anyway, I really like this tray. It kind of just keeps everything nice and corralled. On there I have the hand sanitizer gel from Grove Collaborative. I have some Mrs. Meyer's and the Mum scent, which I really like that. And then that Tangelo Palm Frond countertop spray. And then this little brush here is also from Grove Collaborative. It's like a bubble up brush, so you can put a little bit of water and soap in the bottom of there, and you just kind of like push this down to activate it. Most of the time actually I use that to clean my sink out after I'm done doing my dishes. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll have a link in the description box below. If you want to start using Grove, you can use my link and get $10 off your first order. Just to also note, this video is not sponsored. I'm just sharing with you because I love this service. Thanks for watching and have a great day.